Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will help you to darken and grow your eyebrow alongside with your eyelashes. Okay, so there are some bad oil that we use that tend to keep our eyebrow and our eyelashes from growing long, inclusive of me. Okay, because sometimes I get lazy and I don't want to apply, and I'm like, oh my god, all of those stuff. So I know that some of us go through that. So but if you're strong enough to use this natural remedy, it's gonna work so well, and it's gonna thicken your eyebrow and eyelashes. So let me show you this natural homemade remedy that would help you to achieve that. Okay, but you have to be consistent in using this. It's gonna work really fine. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna be making use of cucumber. Now cucumber is great for the skin. It helps at the under eye area because it also helps to remove all of those lines, remove darkness, and it will help you to grow a fuller eyelashes. So how we're gonna be preparing that, we're gonna be taking just a little quantity. So to do that, we're gonna be creating just a little piece of this cucumber. You can actually blend yours if you have a smaller blender. For now, I think creating it is easier for me. That's why I'm actually creating. So I'm going to be sieving this out. Pressing all of the juice out. And this is the cucumber juice. Now the next ingredients we're gonna be needing is coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a great remedy that works wonders in thickening your hair. It works so well in increasing the volume of the hair, and it also helps to improve your hair texture. So I'm gonna be taking half tablespoon of the coconut oil into this cucumber juice. And then we're going to be needing petroleum jelly. Now Vaseline helps so much for the hair growth. Petroleum jelly helps so much in rejuvenating the skin, and it also gets deep into the pores and makes the hair grow. So we're going to be taking just a little quantity of this into this, and you have to use, in this particular one, you would have to use a double boiler method or hot water method to dissolve this. And then we're going to be making use of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very essential. It's a very thick oil that works wonders for the skin. Use vitamin E oil for your eyebrow and you're not going to regret it. So we're going to be putting just some few drops of this into this ingredient, and that is perfect. Now you can buy vitamin E oil online. Okay, you're going to get it there. So you're going to dissolve this petroleum jelly in this mix and stir everything together. So this is actually going to help your eyelashes really grow.
So this is the treatment for a darker, a longer, and a thicker eyebrows and eyelashes. So to apply this, I'll be using a brush and dip, then apply. Shikina. You just have to close your eyes while applying it so that it doesn't get into your eyes, alright? And then you apply apply it generously. Yeah. You have to close your eyes very tight and apply it carefully. It is all done. So after applying it, you just have to let it stay little for a few minutes, and then you are good to go.
So that's it, guys. I just have to use my sister as a model, today, because man, your girl is worn out. Yeah. So, but nonetheless, yeah, use that. First of all, apply it onto your eyebrow and after your eyelashes, and then you clean it all off. Let the remnants of the product be left on your eyelashes, and it's going to grow your eyelashes and eyebrow really well. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye, guys.